Today in the livestock market, the beef complex really did firm up. The cattle was higher. Traders are expecting the cash trade to stabilize as the market continues to move higher. Yesterday's drop in the grain prices really gave the market a little bit of a lift. We've got the COVID steady at 16.5%. It's kind of interesting that it hasn't really come down with the market bouncing around as much as it is, and it's kind of been responding a lot to with the grain market. But traders seem to be pretty bullish ahead of the cattle on feed report this afternoon, so that should be interesting, and we'll be able to digest it over the weekend and see what happens when the market starts to trade on Monday. Now, feeders were stronger. I think better box beef prices are helping the market really move up. The market's trying to test that July 7 high at 165. It's kind of interesting that in just 1 week we went from the low part of the channel to the high parts, from 158 low on Monday to 164 high today. Kind of interesting that we've had a big kick up in the market. I think that we've moved right through the channel, and really, this channel started from the beginning of the month. So I think it just looks like we've been able to recover somewhat, and just being a little bit more reactive to the grain market. Now, hogs were firm today. That a stronger cash trade it did come in, and I think that the futures were just pushing through the highs right now. The uptrend is intact. The friendly cold storage report just showed that the inventories were a little bit below the earlier levels. That gave the market a little bit more of a boost, shall we say. And the CVOL is down to 28.3%. That was a little bit of a surprise to me, but I think that what it's saying is just that the traders are very comfortable with the market kind of rallying back, or just kind of grinding a little bit higher. They don't see any kind of wild activity, and that's why that CVOL is coming in. But the market still did end up very strong today.